welcome to my little social corner. This is the only space I could find, which is in a corner, so social corner. Today we're going to be doing some unboxing and unpackaging. Coffee here, my little fan because I'm upstairs and hot air rises and I'm hot. Cookies in case I need a little snack. I just showered, but I just put on some concealer, blush on my brows so I don't look like a total ogre. No, I don't look like an ogre. I am beautiful, self-love. I am an independent woman who just needs cats. Emotional support cow. Her name is Yuna. I have pimples all over my chest. Came back from camping. Yeah, no peace. Problems always. So this one is the Makeup Forever Profession All Honey. Step 1 lift, step 2 volume. It's a small wand. I love small wands. They can get into your lashes. And the other side is volumizing, also waterproof, and I really needed a waterproof mascara. Wishful, Huda Beauty. The first mask she came out with before this one, it smelled really chemicals. Couldn't even try it on my face. This one smells a lot better. And her thing with this is slugging. She also sent the rose oil to go under this called the Pillowgasm. Very glow sleeping mask. My face over the years has gotten thin. Like it used to be so plump. Hopefully that'll plump it up. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius. Holy shit, it's $65 US, $82 Canadian. All of a sudden I prize this more. Smoother, softer, that's a tanner. I was like, how do you tan your brows? Tamer, fuller looking brow that feels and performs like the brows you've always wanted. Sold. Peptides, panthenol, green ginseng to biotin and castor oil. This power roster of ingredients is designed to nourish brows, increase manageability, ultimate brow makeover. 96% saw improvement in brow appearance, 96 said brows felt conditioned, and 96 said brows felt healthier. 96, 96, 96 across the board. I wanted to sit here, but half of me is gone. It's harder for me to grab stuff. Let's just try it. This one is also Makeup Forever. I love it already because anytime they come out with HD for skin, their translucent powder is my absolute favorite. So what the hell is this? It feels heavy. This is so cool. It's a palette. HD Skin Palette All-in-One Face Palette. Professional makeup artist. Very fancy. I love the weight of it. I think people would really love this. Lush shades, that'd be great for contour. Anything that it's like pro palette. You whip it out and like, I hope you see that I'm pro. And then I would continue drawing on Sharpie brows. The BALM VOYAGE Travel Kit. It's cute. Everything's cute. Yep. The model Roz worked with our team to develop Tropics, a cheeky trio for a sun-kissed glow. For a sun-kissed glow. It's better when I like give attitude. Pronounce shit better. I never heard of the BALM Cosmetics. Ooh, it's shiny. Remove protective film before use. Oh, I love stripping the product. Ooh. Wait, I don't even know what this is. Oh. Oh. It's a light. Live Glam Travel Light. Quick start guide. It's like, it's a suction so you can reuse it. That's pretty cool. Holy shit. It's stuck on the wall. The BALM VOYAGE Powder Trio with 2 blushes and 1 bronzer. I love blushes. If you are not wearing blush, wear blush. Cute colors. Peachy, pinky, bronzy. The only thing that I immediately do not like about this is that there's a little paper that you're supposed to use to flip it back in. You have to have this piece or else this doesn't close. Why wouldn't you just add a magnet? Gold Coast Face Palette. Always like to look out for vacation palettes. The compact ones. The more compact the better. From Remnant Beauty by Ariana Grande. Midnight Shadows Multi-Use Eye Sticks with these cute little stacks. Freeze-dried, ready-to-eat space food. My mind is always in a different dimension or up there among the darkness in space. So these are great. I will take it with me when I astral project. I can bring scissors. Wait, oh! Aw, they thought of us. Wow, the package is so pretty. I die for anything that is nude. It looks so cute. Okay, I feel like this is the wrong way to do a unpackaging video because you can't even see anything. Wow, I fucked up. Okay, I'm gonna move this camera closer. I left the other makeup on my fingers and I just got all over Rem Beauty's sticks. No peace, all problems. They twist up. I feel like shadow sticks are not used as often. Do you guys use shadow sticks? I really want to experiment with these ones more because I'm so used to just powder and matte tackiness to them. I feel like they have really great staying power. In front of the screen to show you. I just pulled the most amateur shit and I forgot to turn on the ring light. No peace, chaos, no peace. yeah, so that's cute. Again, it's like these, I really wish my nails are done, but I am a lazy bitch, so no. Everlasting Hyperlight, the longer liner. I can never get enough of liners. I have so much, I feel like it's not enough. I love reds. Like there's always that one in everyone's vanity. I'm gonna need you to focus, please. Thank you. Why is it so difficult just existing? Blessed with all this makeup, trying to do an unpackaging video. I always thought that I was so dramatic, and I am, but when I view myself on camera and I watch back the videos, wow, I sound so plain. That's why people are so dramatic on camera. You know how they say camera adds 10 pounds? I feel like for the personality, it takes away 10 pounds of your personality. You know what, or maybe I just don't have one. I think that's it. Hee hee, about face beauty. Oh my god. Bye for the packaging. But it's so freaking adorable. I love anything with matte packaging. So makeup is starting to blend with skincare, or it's been going on for a while, but I still find it so cool how they are combining the two. Balm blush glides onto the skin for a buildable wash of color with amazing lasting power. Comfortable formula melts into the skin, creating a diffused natural finish. I love that word, diffused. Hyaluronic acid and foam seal oil serve up weightless, non-sticky nourishments and antioxidants. Hop my ass over there. Please show up. I'm trying. I'm gonna put my very sweaty face in front of this camera so we can at least track it. Bitch, hello. Why? Delivers, yep, just a wash of color. Glow from within, flush of color on your cheeks. Okay, next. Kiss. Lashes. If you guys wear lashes often, I really recommend the Kiss Lash Glue. One is clear and the other one is black. You just draw as you do with an eyeliner. Super quick, it dries, and you can just plop your lashes on. I will link everything down below. When I worked at MAC, there were so many people, and it was so surprising that they came in and they're just like beginner lash. I think me just being in social media for so long, I just assumed everybody loves lashes, everybody wears lashes or gets lashes done. I want to like make up a system where I can just give those of you who are interested makeup recommendations service. That would be really fun. Yeah, with the lashes, I just didn't know that so many didn't know they want recommendations. For makeup, obviously no one size fits all. And I remember with styling as well, I just would walk into, and if they dress really well, I just want to point to someone and be like, you, style me. Like, I wish I could do that. But it's like that, I would just love if it was for each individual unique person. What fits you, unique to you. These are the really wispy ones. These ones more natural. Press-on nails are awesome for a lazy girl like me. I'm too lazy to go to the salon. I'm too lazy to book it. I'm too lazy to even sit there to get them removed. The only time that I will get my nails done is if I go on vacation. They came out with even more bougie ones. Let me show y'all. Bold colors, natural. The bougier looking ones. These ones are more natural, bare but better. Other gel fantasies. Here's some cute pastel ones. This one is the High School Musical. Pop brings back memories that I do not want to remember. In grade 7, the teachers made us do a High School Musical dance. I wanted to kill my teacher. Hated doing performances. Next is Huda Beauty's perfume line. Been sent all of them. I think they are very popular because Huda makes bomb ass products. But perfume, a lot of it had floral rose tones, and I do not like rose. Another Huda Beauty Love Fest is a cream blush. Built it, share the love. Kaleidos, called the Escape Pod. And gorgeous colors. That is so pretty. This thing squeaks though. Bruh. You see how smooth and pigmented that is? Oh my god. I really love the feeling of these shadows. Oh my girl. This one I'm in love with. And all these ones are so gorgeous as well. Wow. I want to be you when I grow up. I first discovered this brand just from Babe Lucifer on Instagram. She wore a lipstick from Kaleidos that was called Adobe, and every time she wore it in a post, it kept catching my attention. It looks so good on her. I adore these smaller brands that are so artistic. So this is what some of their packaging is like. The first product I got from Kaleidos was lip clay. It has a really smooth, powdery texture, similar to MAC Powder Kiss. Here's one of their blushes. Cute little flower imprint here. Yeah, all their products I feel like are just super smooth, very powder soft. This is Cold Brew. And pretty neutral shades here. Like one swipe and it was just so freaking smooth and so pigmented. Especially love the shimmer here. Of course, MAC Cosmetics.
A Whisper of Guilt. Their face and body foundations, and a moisturizing radiance primer.
If you're a fan of the face and body, MAC did come out with new shades to add to the line for super natural. Like there's people that just want like a natural glow, moisture, but just a bit of skin toning. They also sent me a foundation brush, BAC17, last little bit, Ultra Cosmetics.
Jessica. Ooh. And refillable too. Okay, let's try the, whoa.
Micro-exfoliating cleanser buffs away dead skin cells for your most radiant complexion ever. Okay. Makeup remover. Removers were my least favorite thing to buy, but now it's one of my favorites. Until Eye Makeup Removing Gel Toner. I saw on a website that actually helps to tone your eyes as well. I'm wanting to try a new foundation. Full coverage foundation made with silk peptides. Another makeup product with skincare. Like. Primer. I like that noise. Ooh, precision. I'm gonna replace that word right now for accurate gel liner. Show me the pigment. I did not expect that. Let me just touch. I was swatching it and then it just kept going and going and going. The Ofra's gel liners, I feel like they are more flexible, a lot more of that paint-like texture.
That one's really pigmented. If you guys can hear my dad singing karaoke, I'm sorry, I give up at this point. Blue, please pay attention to this, then my dad's karaoke singing. I don't want to ruin his moment because he enjoys the crap out of it.
For highlighter.
Wow, look at that glow. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, bling bling.
Two fat palettes. Blush palette. And an eyeshadow palette called Urban Wanderer. Last one. Second to last one. Skincare Faves bundle. Love when I get travel size products. I'm not gonna look at this, I'm just gonna throw this into my suitcase. Okay, this is the last one. Ofra and Samantha March collection. It's book inspired. Let me go into kindergarten teacher mode. Preface. Okay, that's enough. I don't began with a highlighter and by the end we had a friend. It's like Winnie the Pooh. Let me, oh, this reminds me of like ice cream.
Does this not remind you of ice cream? Their hand. Your highlighters are bomb, that's for sure.
This is the mess that I've made. Great selection of makeup products today. If you've sat through that entire thing, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more shenanigans, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.